Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is PMI or Project Management Institute. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and you want to learn about it. So let's start friend. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, as the market heats up and the complexity of the world management continue to increase, companies and organizations are seeking insights that might help them simplify things. In the past, things were simpler and everything revolved around profit, process, product, partners. Today, everything seems to be driven and people are facing uncertain issues in the project management arena. And because everything doesn't know everything about running a business, there should be something or someone to help them with this matter. What does PMI means in project management? Friend, PMI stands for Project Management Institute. It's a leading not-for-profit professional membership association for the project management profession. The aim of the association is to provide tools, network and best practices to those who seek help to successfully manage their projects and portfolios. It started in 1969 and currently the resources and research programs by PMI are helping more than 2.9 million professionals working in almost every country to excel in their respective profession. In addition to this, PMI is also the organization that oversees the documentation of the project management body of knowledge Pfmp guide. Pfmp guide is basically a book that contains all the standards and guidelines established by the Project Management Institute for successful project management. In fact, project management professionals across the world are relying on the Project Management Institute's standards and guidelines to boost business success and manage different types of business projects during their project management career. Who is it for actually? PMI membership is for all those people who consider themselves as an active project management professional. This includes project managers as well as practitioners who look forward to improving their skills and explore potential development opportunities within the industry. Now the PMI membership works for almost anyone who would like to better manage projects, but is best to use within industries like construction, architecture, finance, consulting, governance and quality assurance. When used appropriately within these industries, PMI membership can help individuals and teams gain control of their projects and manage them successfully on a large scale. What is Pmi certification? Pmi offers a wide range of credentials and certifications, and it has something for everyone, whether you are a project manager or someone who has just started his career. Pmi will always have something to suit your need. Pmi has both entry level and specialist certification schemes that are specifically designed to help professionals recognize their knowledge and competency and then use it to grow in their profession. So, first one is the Certified Associate in Project Management (CAPM). The Certified Associate in Project Management (CAPM) is designed to improve your understanding regarding the fundamental terminologies and practices of effective project management. If you are a project manager who would like to gain more control over projects or add more project management skills into your role, then CAPM is for you. Project Management Professional or PMP. The Project Management Professional PMP is a gold standard project management certification that is recognized and demanded worldwide. Through Project Management Professional PMP, you can validate your competence to fit the role of a project manager in any organization. Program Management Professional (PGMP). Program Management Professional (PGMP) certification is designed for those who manage multiple complex projects and teams. Through this certification, you prove your ability to manage multiple projects and navigate complex activities to achieve results that align with the organizational goals. Portfolio Management Professional Pfmp. The Portfolio Management Professional Pfmp certification is designed to recognize the experience and skills for portfolio managers. If you would like to demonstrate your ability to manage one or more portfolios to achieve your organizational objectives, you should definitely go for Pfmp. Pmi Agile Certified Practitioner Pmi-Acp. The Pmi Agile Certified Practitioner Pmi-Acp certification is created for those who apply Agile principles and practices in project management. To qualify for this certification, you need a combination of experience, skills, training, and exam. If you believe in Agile approaches such as Scrum, Extreme Programming, Lean, and Kanban, consider Pmi-Acp without any second thought. Pmi Risk Management Professional Pmi-Rmp. Do you want to demonstrate your knowledge and skills in the area of identifying and eliminating project risk during the project management process? If yes, then Pmi-Rmp certification is right for you. Through Pmi-Rmp, you learn how to mitigate threats and capitalize on opportunities in project management. Pmi Scheduling Professional Pmi-Sp. The Pmi Scheduling Professional certification is for those who need to demonstrate their knowledge and expertise in developing and maintaining project schedule. If you have knowledge and skills to develop, manage, and maintain project schedules and you would like to showcase them, then Pmi Scheduling Professional is a perfect choice for you. Pmi Professional in Business Analysis Pmi-PBA. Through Pmi Professional in Business Analysis certification, you highlight your knowledge and skills in the specialized area of business analysis. It helps you showcase your ability to effectively define business requirements, plan to project outcome, and lead a team successfully towards the same. In the last, successful project management requires an awareness of the best practices, trending tools, and potential issues during the project management life cycle. It is important that project managers and teams keep themselves updated in terms of both knowledge and skills. Now, becoming a member of the Project Management Institute is an efficient and quite convenient move in this direction. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.